We are all born with certain physical characteristics determined by our genes. But does our DNA dictate how we act?
Genes may very well determine how we behave in given situations.
Researchers say they are learning now that genes help control how we interpret our environment.
There has to be some kind of innate circuitry in place that allows us to create culture and acquire culture and do the learning.
But can environment influence which genes are triggered?
What really matters is which genes are turned on and which genes are turned off. And different genes are turned on and off in different circumstances.
That leads to debate over the role parents play in influencing their children.
Parents aren't the only aspect of the environment. There's also the surrounding culture.
Some believe the stronger social influences happen outside the home.
Children live in separate worlds, and each world is very important, but there's very little carryover from one world to the other. And what is carried over is whatever is genetic.
Controversial author Judith Rich says how well a child turns out is up to the child, not the parent. Others find that troubling.
We would encourage parents to be either passive or hopeless or helpless in the face of certain challenges that they would assume were genetic.
As the debate rages, what's clear is that as scientists study DNA, they are learning more about ways to fight disease and perhaps understand better what makes us tick. I'm Dr. Dean Adele.